So I'm in this beautiful farm of flowers on the road to Saswar, Jejuri, little outside of Pune. And today I'm going to talk about safety belts. Oh, you know those safety belts that we have in our cars when we are driving, the safety belts that you use when you're flying in a plane. So, what exactly does a safety belt do? And have you ever thought that there could be a human being in your life who's like a safety belt? Well, that's what we are going to talk about today. So, this is SK, and you're watching Inspo Vibes with SK. Welcome to yet another episode on this channel. And today we are going to talk about safety belts. So, why did I choose this topic? Because this week, 11 January to 17 January, is the National Road Safety Week, and we spoke about so many things at the workplace regarding road safety, and safety belt is one of the most important ones. And that set me thinking, so what exactly does the safety belt do? It holds you in place with the seat so that when you're moving in a vehicle or in a plane and there is an accidental collision, so the vehicle will stop, but you are still in motion and you may end up falling forward. As a result, you will collide, you will get hurt. But this safety belt is something that will hold you back, it will keep you in place. Isn't that something that happens to us even in our lives? There are people in our lives who will hold us back, who will be there, protecting us and preventing any kind of damage or hurt because of some accidental collision that might happen in our lives. So, this episode I want to dedicate to my bestest person in this whole world, my grandfather, my Nana, my Bapuji, who unfortunately is not in this world anymore, but he was and he will always remain my safety belt. In all the years that I was growing up, he would always talk to me from his experience, give me various tips, various bits of wisdom to help me protect myself against so many accidental collisions and getting hurt. So whenever I was on a course which might end in me getting hurt, he would be there to guide me, he would be there to protect me, and he was my safety belt. Well, he's not with us anymore, but still, the stories that he shared, the wisdom that he imparted, and all the little experiences that became such a part of my life and make me who I am remain with me today. And whenever I'm in a situation where it's possible that I might collide, I might get hurt, something from what Bapuji had shared comes back to me, and most of the time I end up saving myself and avoiding a collision. So what is it that I do? I try and be the safety belt to the people around me, my near and dear ones, most of the time my children, sharing the same wisdom that I got from my safety belt, my Bapuji, and whatever I have learned in my life so far. So today, on this day of traffic safety, I urge all of you not only to think about the safety belts in your cars or in the aeroplanes, but to also think about all the people around you who are your safety belts. Take a moment, acknowledge them, maybe give them a big hug and say thank you for protecting you, for holding you back from colliding and getting hurt. So if you don't have a safety belt in your life, maybe you can be the safety belt for someone, right? So it's a cycle and it's a circle of life. What you give, you get back. So you be somebody's safety belt, somebody will be yours, and the world will be a safer place to live in. So with that, this video is a wrap. You take care, be safe. Don't forget to hit on the like button if this video somewhere resonates with you. Click on the bell icon to subscribe to my channel if not already done. Share this with others and spread the vibes of inspiration. Until we meet again next week with yet another inspiring video, this is SK signing off. Adios and bye bye.